Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 6, last we completed the topic changing font formatting. Now, today we will start this new topic changing alignments of data in the cell. So, in this chapter number 7, working in MS Excel in your chapter number 7, we will discuss today's topic alignments group. So alignments group in available in this home tab, and then its contents commands to apply alignments related formatting to the cell contents. So all the steps all our steps are available in this topic. So let's start this. First of all, select the cells you want to modify and open the home tab, and then go to the set vertical alignments of data. Click on the vertical alignments commands. So top alignments, middle alignments, bottom alignments are available. Then you will use this top align. So aligns the text to the top of the cell you will use, and middle aligns to use aligns the text to the middle of the cell. Then bottom aligns the text to the bottom of the cell. After to set horizontal alignment of data, click on any of these three alignment buttons. First, align text left, align the text to the left in a cell. Then center aligns the text in the center in a cell. Then next is align text right. So align the text to the right in a cell. So all these features are available in the changing alignments of data in the cells. Now next, students, orientation and cell marching. So we can rotate the data in a cell to orient it in any direction, and also merge two or more cells in a single cell. Okay, so how to do this orientation? So orientation related options. Orientation, you will click in the cell that contains the data whose orientation you want to change the direction. So click on the orientation button, drop down arrows will be open. Okay, and then select an option to set the orientation of text in a cell like this. Next, to merge. If you merge two or more cells, so first select all the cells, then click on the merge and center button, drop down arrow, and select an option to merge or unmerge the selected cells. Okay, so this is the options related to the merging of cells. Clear? So you will apply orientation and cell margins in a practically. Now next, number formatting. So number formatting, student, the command buttons in the number group allow us to format numbers and data in a variety of ways. Okay, so some of the command buttons in this group are listed below. Accounting number format, percentage style, comma style, a number format, drop down arrow, increase decimal, decrease decimal. Okay, all our options are available in your number formatting. Okay, so number format button, this allow you to choose a number format for the data, whether you want to display numbers as currency, percentage as a date or time, as so on. Then accounting number format button, this allows you to choose a currency format for the selected cells. Percent style button, this display the value of the selected cells as a percentage. Then comma style button, this display the value in a cell with thousand separators. Increase decimal button, this increase the number of decimal places in the selected numbers. Decrease decimal button, it means this decrease the number of decimal places in the selected numbers. Okay, so always remember the point. The steps to apply these formats to the data remains the same. Simply select the cell data and click on the required format button. In case you want to change the number of format, select the data, click on the number format, drop down arrow, and select a format option from the drop down menu. So this is the number formatting feature. Then your topic, formatting the worksheet structure. So in this formatting, MS Excel allows us to insert and delete rows, columns, cells in a worksheet, and it allows us to change the height of the rows and width of the column to accommodate bigger size of data and so on. So inserting and deleting rows and columns and cells. So student, different types of operations are performed in MS Excel. First is the operation inserting rows, inserting columns, and deleting rows and column, inserting cells, then deleting cells. Okay, so all are options related in your inserting and deleting rows and columns. So inserting rows, you will follow this step. Select the row above which you want to insert a blank row, and after rows select two rows in step 1 and so on. Then open the home tab, then click in the cells group, click the insert tab. A drop down menu appears, select the insert sheet rows option. a blank row will be inserted. Then inserting column, so select the column to the left of the which you want to insert a new column, and open the home tab. In the cell group, click the insert button. A drop down menu appear. The select the insert sheet columns option, blank column will get inserted. Then deleting rows and columns, you will follow this tab. Select the rows and columns you want to delete and open the home tab. In the cells group, click the delete drop down arrow. From the drop down menu, select the delete sheet rows or delete sheet columns options as required. So the selected rows or column will get deleted. Okay. Now inserting cells and deleting cells. So select the cells you want to the left or above which you want to insert blank cells. So in the cells group of home tab, click on the insert drop down button and select the insert cell option from the drop down menu to open the insert dialog box. Okay. Then select any one of the options given in the dialog box to shift the selected cells when new cells get inserted. Then click on the OK button. Finally, the cells will get inserted as specified. So deleting cells, you will select the cell that you want to delete and open the home tab. Click the delete drop down button in the cells group. Select the delete cells option from the drop down menu and the delete dialog box appear. And then in the dialog box, select the cell you want to move in to fill in the space vacated by the deleted cells. Then click on the finally OK button. The cell will get deleted as specified. Okay students, so this is your formatting the worksheet structure. Then changing the row height. How to change your row height in Excel in changing the column width. So we can increase or decrease the height of a row by the following these steps. So bring the mouse pointer over the bottom border of the required row header. Then the mouse pointer changes shape. Okay, 2 plus icon. Then click the drag the bottom border up to decrease the row height. Okay, or you can choose the drag the bottom border down to increase the row height. Then same as it is changing the column width. So we can also change the width of a single column in a worksheet as we did with the row height. The step to change the width of a single column at a time are bring the mouse pointer over the right border of the required column header. The pointer change shapes. 2 plus icon. Then click and drag the right border left or right to decrease or increase the width of the column. Okay. So this is your topic, changing the column width. So student, you will do practice activity in your page number 82. Okay, and go through all this topic in your chapter number 7. Okay, so in your chapter number 7 is completed. So all this topic you will go through, and let's recall part terms to done. You also read properly and learn. Okay, class 6.